Hey guys, in this video we're going to be doing a review of the Debian 13 Trixie. And this is going to be the ultimate deep dive. I'll give you the pros, I'll give you the cons. Now the first pro is that the package updates, that's the biggest win for me. Because, having a newer desktop environment like the KDE Plasma 6.3, GNOME 48 as well, okay, it actually, out of the box, it is fantastic. The included Linux kernel 6.12 LTS, that also it finally brings, solid support for modern hardware, including newer AMD GPUs, and honestly, the APT 3.0 as well. Okay, it's a game changer, and the new color output, the solver, makes everything feel more polished. I'll give you the cons as well because the installer is still, the Debian installer, a bit clunky for new users. I've seen some Reddit posts as well right here about it hanging on a certain hardware setups. It's not about revolution, as some have pointed out. So if you were hoping for a dramatic shakeup from Bookworm, you might be underwhelmed. It's just a stable step forward. It's not a leap, okay? But look, if you're looking for a rock solid distro with up to date packages, kernel support, without the hassle of a rolling release, then Trixie is it, okay? The updates are meaningful without sacrificing the classic Debian stability. I'd recommend it for a new install, if especially on newer hardware. And if you found this helpful, you appreciate the honesty, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.